Hello students, this is your worksheet number 16 of 10th August and it's your of 9th class subject science. Now we will be discussing about atoms and molecules again, about atomicity and molecular mass. Gyan says, Jigyasa di, what is atomicity? Gyan, we know that similar type of atom chemically react to form molecules of elements and atoms of different elements react to form molecules of compound. As we did in our last worksheet, all the atoms are very reactive. They join each other to form molecules or ions. Okay, and elements. Okay, the total number of atoms present in a molecule of an element, compound or matter is known as atomicity of that molecule. So like the total number of atoms, कितने atoms present होते हैं एक किसी भी एलिमेंट में, एक और किसी कंपाउंड में या फिर मैटर में, उसको एटॉमिसिटी कहा जाता है. ईच मोलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, जैसे हमें पता है कि ऑक्सीजन हम O2 लिखते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन की जो एटॉमिसिटी 2 हुई, ठीक है, तो बिकॉज इट इज़ कंप्राइज ऑफ 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे डायटोमिक. डाई मतलब 2, एटॉमिक मतलब एटॉमिसिटी से है. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल में अगर हम ध्यान दें तो यहाँ पर 2 हाइड्रोजन है और 1 ऑक्सीजन है, ठीक है, तो उसकी एटॉमिसिटी क्या हुई 3. उसकी कितनी हुई 3, देखो बेटा 2 + 1 = 3, तो हम इसको बोलेंगे ट्राई. ट्राई मीन्स 3, ट्राई एटॉमिक एटॉमिसिटी. ओके बेटा. नाउ ज्ञान सेज, दीदी हाउ डू साइंटिस्ट कैलकुलेट द रेशो बाय नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट एटम्स present in the compound and molecular mass of a molecule. कैसे आखिर हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं? तो जिज्ञासा कहती है ज्ञान, दे प्रेडिक्ट द रेशो by the number of different atoms by comparing their mass ratio by each element present with their atomic masses. हम क्या कंपेयर करते हैं? उनकी मास रेशो को कंपेयर करते हैं उनके एटॉमिक मास के साथ, ठीक है, तो उससे हमारी जो एटॉमिक नंबर रेशो निकलती है, जिससे हमें पता चलता है नंबर ऑफ एटम्स के बारे में. इसको एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला निकालना भी कहते हैं. कैलकुलेट द एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनी कंपाउंड, वी कैन कंपाउंड, ठीक है बेटा. तो जैसे कि यहाँ पर है आपके पास कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन, इसकी जो मास रेशो हमारे को दी गई है दैट इज़ 3:8, और एटॉमिक मास रेशो है हमारे पास 12/16, यानी कि जिसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास 3:4 आ जाएगी. तो अब इन दोनों के हम कंपेयर करेंगे, या इन दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे. जैसे उसने बात करी है, कंपेयर करना होता है मास रेशो को एटॉमिक मास रेशो से. तो हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं 3/3 = 1 आ जाता है और 8/4 = 2 आ जाता है. तो कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन की जो रेशो निकलती है एटॉमिक नंबर्स की, वो निकलती है 1:2, और जिसमें कार्बन कितने हैं 1, ऑक्सीजन कितने हैं 2, तभी इसका फॉर्मूला क्या बनता है CO2. ओके बेटा, इसी को कहते हैं एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला निकालना. तो इसके बाद है हमारे पास नेक्स्ट चीज़, जिसके अंदर दिया है मॉलिक्यूलर मास किसे कहते हैं, या मॉलिक्यूलर मास क्या होता है. द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द सब्सटेंस इज द सम ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस ऑफ ऑल द एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. किसी भी सब्सटेंस में जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स पड़े हैं, अब अगर हम उसके सारे के सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स का एटॉमिक मास निकाल लें और उनको ऐड कर दें, दैट विल बी द टोटल मॉलिक्यूलर मास. ओके, द एटॉमिक masses of elements are जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन 16, 12, कार्बन, सल्फर 32, हाइड्रोजन 1, सोडियम 23, कॉपर 63.5, phosphorus 31, chlorine 35.5, and nitrogen, this is your 14 U. U is your atomic mass unit as we discussed in your last worksheet. And now how we'll calculate carbon dioxide atomic mass. As we see, I'll explain you one carbon dioxide. Look at here, carbon dioxide. Carbon is what? Carbon का जो atomic mass है that is your 12. plus oxygen is your 16, and look at here, these are 2 in number, so we'll multiply 16 by 2. So this is your 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 u. Again we can do water molecule here. Water is what? Hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1 multiplied by 2, as there are 2 hydrogens. So plus oxygen, oxygen is 1, that is 16 only. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 mu. Okay. So this is the method to calculate the molecular mass of any compound or any substance. So this is like water molecule given here, and ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, 14 for nitrogen, 4 for hydrogen, and 1 for chloride, give rise to 53.5 mu. And here 23 for your sodium and 35.5 for chlorine, it gives rise to 58.5 u. That is your sodium chloride molecule. Now we will be doing your question answers. What is atomicity? And calculate the atomicity of copper sulfate, HCl, lead nitrate, uh, sulfur, NaCl, and hydrogen carbonate. So we will do it here one by one. It is your first copper sulfate atomicity. There is 1 copper, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. So atomicity will be 6. Now HCl, 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Sorry, 1 chlorine. So their atomicity will be 2 only. Lead nitrate, 1 lead, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygen. Atomicity will be 5. S8, your simple there are 8, so atomicity will be 8. And I have to use another screen. There is your NaCl and hydrogen carbonate left. Look at it. NaCl, 1 plus 1, it's 2 atomicity, and hydrogen carbonate, carbonic acid, and this is 2 hydrogen plus 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Again, this is your 6 atomicity. So this way question number 1, atomicity, definition of atomicity is your in your worksheet only. Okay beta. And now we'll go to this was your atomicity definition here, and the rest I have done in your another blank screens. Okay beta. So now we'll discuss your another question. I can write it here also. 6, 2, 5, 8, 2, and 6 again. So this was the atomicity. Now the calculate the ratio of number of atoms in water molecule, and the mass ratio is given, that is your 1:8. We will calculate it here only. Okay, mass ratio is 1:8. Okay, so first I'll draw the lines here. Okay, so that you can understand it in better way. Okay, so now we are going to calculate it. The mass ratio is of hydrogen and oxygen, that is 1:8. We know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 only, and your oxygen is your 16. We get the ratio of 1 is to 16 from here, and this is the simplest form because this is the simplest form only. And now we'll compare both these. As we have seen the word comparing the mass ratio to the atomic masses, now we are doing comparison. Here it is 1 and 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1, and 8 upon 16. 8 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now as we know 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 2, we can give rise to multiply alternate and here we get 2 is to 1. Okay, so और 2 is equal to 1 निकला था, तो this is your 2:1. So here the hydrogen ratio oxygen is 2:1. So hydrogen is equal to 2 and oxygen is equal to 1. So therefore the molecule of water will be having the empirical formula H2O. This is the molecular formula of any water molecule. Okay, because hydrogen are 2 and oxygen is 1 only. So coming to our next question, calculate the molecular masses of NaCl, copper sulfate and hydrogen carbonate and water. Beta, your water molecule and sodium chloride molecular masses calculation is already given. Okay, but if you want to do it in a better way, you should calculate it yourself. Now we'll calculate your copper sulfate and hydrogen carbonate. Copper sulfate, and here is your hydrogen carbonate. The molecular masses calculate कर रहे हैं हम. Copper is your 63.5 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16 into 4. These all are given in your worksheet only. Please look at it carefully. Okay, don't ask from where you are writing all these things. It is given in worksheet only. So we get 63.5 plus 32 plus 64. The whole sum is of 159.5 and U, atomic mass unit. Now we'll calculate your hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen molecular mass 1, number of molecules 2, plus carbon 12, only 1, and you can write like this also. Okay, like this, because this is 1 in number. Plus oxygen is 16, its molecular mass, and number is 3. So 2 plus 12 plus 48 give rise to 62 U. So this is the calculation of your molecular masses. Okay, so this was all done from my side. Another worksheet we'll discuss it another day. Till then, stay safe, be happy, keep smiling forever.